Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the custom homepage on WordPress. WordPress has the option to set up the homepage as the blog post layout or page layout. Sometimes people would like to add their website homepage as the custom page. In this situation, how they can add the custom page on homepage? Let's learn how you can set up this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my WordPress website, I have 5 pages: home page, about, services, and blog and contact page. So if you would like to change the custom page, you have to log in with your Google admin account. Then you have to go to settings. Then you have to click on the reading. Here the two option is available. If you would like to change the blog post layout page, you have to select your latest post option. Then you can click to save. Then you can check it out your page layout. You can check it out. Post page has been as a home page. So if you would like to change the custom page of your WordPress website, you have to select here static pages. Then you have to select the home page drop down. Here it will be listed for the all of the pages what you created already. So I would like to change the home page as the about page. Then I have to select the save changes. Now you have to go to visit your website. You can check it out. The about page has been set as the home pages. So in this way you can create any custom page and set up the home page from this section. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.